How are things going for everyone? Today we are going to look at Pepecoin. When is a good time to buy and when is a bad time to buy? Will it go down even more? I think this is a very important week in the crypto space, so let's talk about Pepecoin, which is one of the big names with a market capitalization of $3 billion or more. Let's also talk about how this great meme coin played a bit of a joke on people. It hit a level of support and fell. This is where we thought it wouldn't go, and it's holding on to another support level. Hopefully PEPE won't hit another low here. Let us check out what's going on. If any of you trade cryptocurrency, you can click on the link below to see Bluefin. It only takes a second of your time to sign up with an email. And if you want to start trading crypto with leverage, you can use a Bluefin for your leverage trading and really try to boost your cryptocurrency gains. You can play around with the leverage and put on huge amounts of leverage if you wanted to, and there are hundreds of different trading pairs available both on spot and leverage. I personally use Bluefin and really enjoy it. If you click on my link below, you'll get extra rewards, and you can also do cool things like copy trading pros in the cryptocurrency space. Also, that's something that lots of people like. Try them out and see which one you like best. Maybe you're bored with your present exchange and want to find a new one. Right now, Pepe has 0.0000000000582. 82, not 5, but 0.0 to the power of 5, 82. On the 7th day, you can see that it has gone down quite a bit. However, a lot of coins may have gone down over the last week, and people are very excited about the elections. I can see that the polls and odds are always changing, but you can find the most recent polls here on this video. I'm not sure how new or old these polls are, but as of 6 a.m. On November 5th, 2024, they show that Harris is ahead of Trump by 1.2% in a mix of the most recent national polls. Also, this poll from ABC News Project 538 says that Harris has a 48% to 46.9% lead over Trump right now. On the other hand, everyone in the crypto space probably wants Trump to win. Additionally, I believe it is possible to say that Pepe wants Trump to win, and I think this could be enough evidence to see Trump win in the end. Bitcoin just went through $80,000 and more. Other than that, it might go down a little. As things stand, I don't think there will be a disaster like 40,000 or 50,000 Bitcoin. But we need to be realistic about what we expect. Since May, Pepe has been going down in value. It's not a lie, we can see that, but that doesn't mean it will go all the way down to some really low levels. The reason for this is that Pepe is in a great place from 2023 when you start to zoom out. It's still settling into this new band. So this could just be the start of the next meme mania cycle, which could send it as high as 0.0000013. This area here is where we want to reach the big barrier. We're not quite there yet. We are still a long way from it happening, but it will happen in the end. In that daily time frame we are now, the fact that the RSI is only 38 on a daily basis also makes me feel good about buying more PEP right now. And in the past, when Pepe is trading between 38 and 40 on the daily RSI, it has been a good time to buy Pepecoin. Then when Pepe goes back into high RSI areas, you sell it because high RSI shows greed, happiness, and parabola. In that area is where you want to make money. So you buy now while people are scared and wait to sell when the next big leg up happens, if it does happen. Looking at Pepe over the past week, we can see that it is not even close to excitement or being overbought. You could use the same kind of reasoning again. It was at 37 or below 40 RSI in January, which is a long time ago. But yeah, it's not likely that it's in the golden pocket of a 30 RSI accumulation band. If it does happen, I'll bet everything on Pepe, of course. But Pepe's RSI is only at 38 right now. This is still a good time for me to buy Pepecoin, but it's not financial advice. But I see a healthy area there. If you think the bull market will keep going and see support for another 6 to 12 months, check back here. If that sounds like you, Pepe might be a good choice. Another thing I want to talk about is a secret coin that you can find on my chat. Some of you may have seen me talk about it. Tomorrow is the day it starts. It's called Secret Coin. And it wasn't really called that, but it's a secret, so we're calling it that in the channel. It will happen tomorrow between 3 and 5 p.m. UTC. Make sure you become a crypto hero from the Patreon below if you want to get that contract address early. Check it out. To get all of these great benefits on your crypto journey, you need to make more money in this setting. This will help you increase your gains and give you freedom of time, place, and money. You could also use the workshop. The first WAP customer who buys this package here will get it for 3,000. The winner will have a one-on-one session with me where we can talk about anything. I hope you learn strategies, and if you need it, I'll give you a nice one-on-one session for a few hours where we can talk about crypto, strategy, diversification, what things might be hot in the future and other things. If not, you should pay $103 a month on Patreon or WAP to find out what this juicy coin is going to be, right? I can't wait to tell you about it. What else is going on in the markets right now? When it comes to fear and greed, there is more greed in the market now. Most of the time, greed is good for the market. But is it good for the person who buys it when they are greedy? It's tough to say because you want to be in a bull market and fear and neutrality. Not really very greedy. Some jokes are also starting to show up on the hour bubbles. PEPE Unchained is another cool meme coin that will be out soon. This is of course an ICO. It's going to be live soon. A new layer 2 blockchain has been made. This one I chose to show you because it shows a very interesting environment. I have a bridge and a DEX block viewer. They have funding for powerful analytics and building. There are a lot of different things here. This is the web page itself. But if you really want to join an ICO, all you have to do is connect your MetaMask or hot wallet. They've raised $24.7 million and are almost ready to start up. So that's a pretty cool layer to PEPE option. I'll put a link to this one below. Tell me what you think. Of course, never put more money at risk than you can afford to lose. They have 8 billion pieces in total. It was $0.0.01219 for one PEPE right now. It's also possible that this one will go up when it goes live. Well worth a look. Find out more about the coin and be careful with it. I'll put a link to you below. That's all there is to it, guys. Thanks for looking. I think we'll talk more in the dispute over the next day or two. I have a lot to do. I won't be making as many videos, but if you want to be a part of this active group with 31,000 members, you'll get a lot more like trading signals, education, and a lot more. Yes, it does depend on what you want. There are also some big bear market accumulation signs that will be released soon. These will help you collect coins like PEPE during those tough times. People seriously undervalue tools like RSI indicators, which means they don't realize how useful it is to just look at an RSI number. No need to forget that. So we're making indicators that will also show you, say, when to buy certain coins during a bear market, when they go off during their golden undervaluation stages on the RSI. So it will help you build that stock for the bear market, which should hopefully make you rich for generations to come. That's all there is to it, guys. This video has been going for 8 minutes. Please think about becoming a patron. Of course, you should join Blowfin. That's a really important point to make if you're trading out here because they are really good. If you want to copy trade, you can also follow a lot of traders. Also check out PEPE Unchained. Keep in mind that this movie is not financial advice. Cryptocurrency is risky and changes a lot, but we like it. Anyhow, I'll see you soon. Peace and take care.